Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off dark mode in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to turn off dark mode and switch back to light mode in Notion. The first thing to do is to launch Notion in your browser or desktop app and sign in if necessary. Now, in the left-hand sidebar, click on your profile picture or name in the top left corner to open the user menu. From the drop-down menu, you're going to see Settings and Invite Members. Go ahead and click on Settings. And then it takes you to the Settings window where you have a couple of options which include My Accounts, My Settings, My Notifications, My Connections, Language and Region, and of course you have your Workspace settings which include Upgrade Plan, Settings, Team Spaces, People, Site, Security and Data, Identity and Provisioning, Connections, and of course you have Import. Go ahead and click on My Settings under My Account. And it takes you to this window where you have a couple of options which include Appearance, Open Links in Desktop App, Startup, Date and Time, Privacy. Now head over to Appearance. Here you can customize how Notion looks on your device. Head over to the left corner and click on the drop-down menu. You have Use System Settings, you have Light, and you have Dark. Go ahead and click on Light. Once you click on Light, it's going to switch back to the light mode. You will not be able to notice the difference because I'm using the Chrome built-in dark mode feature. But if you're not using that, you have no worries. Once you click on Light, everything's just going to be bright as white. That's it. So immediately you do that, the changes will take place immediately and your Notion interface will switch to light mode. Changing the theme will apply across both web and desktop applications of Notion. And if you prefer a different theme or schedule, you can explore other options in the Appearance settings. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.